Everyone have been talking about AI, but no one has actually showed you the business ideas that you can actually start with AI. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 business ideas that you can actually start using AI in support of whatever task you want to perform, because now AI is here, it's gonna make your life more easier than ever before. I have done some of this particular side also. So yes, I can assure you that it is beginner friendly. And oh, my laptop, you don't even need a laptop. You can actually start using your smartphone. So if you have a laptop, it's just an advantage. If you're coming across particular channel for the very first time, welcome to Financial House TV. What we do is talk on how you can actually make real money online, business ideas and tips. If that's of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Now let's get straight into business. The first on my list is social media manager with AI. You can realistically make 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira as a beginner. I'm talking from experience. You can realistically make 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira as a beginner if you are serious. You know you want to make money. Now, what is your function or your role as a social media manager? Your major function is to manage other people's social media accounts, such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and many other platforms like that. The more the accounts you manage, the more money you make. If you don't want to be busy, do not go for social media manager. But if you want to make more money, you want to be busy, then social media manager is for you. You don't need a prior experience before you start social media manager. All you need to do is to practice and practice. Now, there are tools that is very, very essential for you to know as a social media manager. The first on my list is xremove.ai. This particular website allows you to remove background easily in few seconds. I'm going to drop the link in the description box, and also I'm going to pin it in the comment section. So you click on it and create an account and start practicing. Now, once you're done creating an account, click on upload image and select the image that you want to change the background. I'm going to be using this as an example. Just wait for a few seconds for the background to be removed. This is going to be the outcome after the background has been removed. If you want to change the background, you don't want to download it like that, you can easily change it to any other color. But for me, I feel like it has to be more aesthetic. One thing I love about this particular website is that it allows you to generate a background image freely using prompts. Now go to your ChatGPT and generate a prompt. After generating your prompt, copy your prompt and put it in this describe background area. Paste it there and it's going to automatically generate the background. Generate this background with this particular website as well. You can also generate any form of background that you want for your pictures, anything at all. Alright. The second basic thing you need to know as a social media manager is knowing how to use your ChatGPT. As you can see here, this is the basic thing that recruiter wants from you as a social media manager. At first, you might not be working with company, you can just be working with small business owners, but these are the basic things that you need to know as a social media manager. Now, copy this description of this particular job, then head over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT you want to know these skills. ChatGPT is going to tell you exactly what you need to learn. Period. Now you can easily create content calendar with AI, optimization of video with ChatGPT, and more. Now the third basic thing you need to know is knowing how to navigate each platform, such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. You need to know how to navigate these particular platforms, how to upload, edit with CapCuts, those minor basic things you need to know as a social media manager. The second on my list is graphic design with AI. You can practically make 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira designing and editing pictures for people. When you constantly post before and after of picture that you edit, or flyers that you create, book cover that you create on your WhatsApp status, Facebook group, people will always reach out to you for designing. Now let me show you something real quick how I actually edit this particular picture using ChatGPT. So I am going to be using this particular picture to design my thumbnail. I'm going to be showing you example how I'm going to edit this particular image. So I asked ChatGPT to edit my picture by adding a little touch of makeup on my face. So this is the outcome of the picture. You can see the before and the after. So I further requested for a change of outfits. I was wearing white and black before, and you can easily change your outfits with just a prompt. I changed my outfit, so I requested for a black suit, and this is the outcome. It's as simple as that. Now let's talk about the tools that you need as a graphic designer that you are going to be using AI. First is you need Visual GPT. Visual GPT allows you to generate beautiful images. Then second, you need ChatGPT. Third, you need Canva. For Canva, you are going to be using Canva to generate inspiration. If your clients want flyers and all of that, use Canva to generate inspiration. Screenshots, head over to ChatGPT to generate your prompt, head over to Visual GPT to generate your image, and you're going to see the wonderful outcome of that particular image or whatever thing that you want to design. The third on my list is AI writing. You guys know I've always talked about AI writing novels. There are actually different type of writing, but the one I'm talking right now is fiction writing, which is story writing. Writing story with AI, cloud AI. If you want more details about this, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you to get access to the video, just to watch the video, and you can easily apply to any platform such as good novel platform, lecture logs, fiction story, iStory, and many other platforms that you can actually apply your story on. If you are good with writing, go for this. You can actually make $300 upward from this particular side hustle. It is per month, not per day. The next on my list is AI influencer. Let's just think about influencers. You know how much they make. So yes, if you successfully create this particular business, you as a faceless creator, and you're using AI, you can also use your own face to be the model, but you're not just going to be the real one in action. So let me show you something real quick, how you can actually generate your AI model using ChatGPT and Virtual GPT. So the first step is to generate a prompt describing your influencer. Now, if you want to use your own face, you attach the image and tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt to generate a prompt of an influencer image. You're looking exactly like that particular picture in the image with a touch of makeup, and it's going to generate the prompts. Now copy the prompts and head over to Virtual GPT, and this is the outcome. Now if you like what you see, you go for it. If you don't like it, you actually request for another prompt, and make sure you always attach a reference. Now the next step is to turn your image into a video. You can also use Virtual GPT, and if you want to use any other video generation sites, you can use it, but in this context I'm going to be using Virtual GPT. So you are going to log into your Virtual GPT. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. As you can see the image on the screen, that is the image of the influencer, the prompt ChatGPT generated for me. Now if you want something that has to do that cover body, you have to describe it well detailed. I don't want this video to be too long, so that is why I'm not showing you all of that. But if you want a separate video for this, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to do that for you. Now you're going to click on the plus sign to attach the image of your influencer and the image of the product that you want the influencer to promote. Now I'm going to be using a body lotion, for example. Give the prompt, make this image use the product, then you hit on generate. Last on my list is digital products with AI. You can make a lot of money from digital products, but it is not that easy. If you want to make money with digital products, you need to sell something valuable, something people are willing to pay for. You should be able to answer this question: does my product solve a particular problem? Is my product a solution to a particular problem? And then if yes, you are good to go. But if you cannot answer that question, you need to think about it again and create something that can actually answer that question: does my product solve a problem?